Fat Track Heat 5 NZ. Who have we got in the lineup tonight? Let's have a look at them.
Oh, check out those wheels. Hey, this is Blue Line Racing, everyone. He's driving the 99 grams Suburban for his own team, Blue Line Racing.
Right alongside of him is Metal Mania 3D. This is a Dodge Supervan. This has black fire tyres. KC's behind the wheel. This is weighing 98 grams.
Thelred Fogarty from Mocon Competition. He's behind the wheel of Red Dingo. We all know that Red goes faster.
And right up the back on the outside is Beaverworks. This is a Hot Wheels. It's Hot Box. Driver is Beaverworks, and this is weighing 91 grams.
Pick your winner, ladies and gentlemen. These 4 vans, they're on the start gate, and they're ready to go.
Heat 5 done and dusted, and congratulations to Blue Line Racing. They have scored the perfect score, a 16, a 4-4-4-4. Well done.
Who needs black fire tyres when you've got skulls on your wheels? Right, Blue Line? Well done, mate. You're off to the semis.
Also securing a spot in the semi-finals is driver KC, the builder's Metal Mania 3D. This is the Dodge Supervan with black fire tyres. Congratulations! Some excellent racing tonight, and in particular Blue Line Racing getting that perfect score. Well done. The Aussie KC Metal Mania 3D going through, and commiserations to the other teams. However, you do have a couple more vans going into some more heats, so good luck there.
You know what? Not everyone can get through to the semis, but you've got to give it up for Beaverworks and for Mocon Competition. They spent time and effort, and they built some really nice vans, and I'm pretty sure that you all agree. How about we all throw a comment below in support of these guys, eh?
Yet again, another sensational night of racing right here on Shorty and Vantastic. Until next time, we'll catch you in Heat 6. See you later.